Welcome back, camera enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of photography and videography with a focus on the best cameras for beginners in 2024. Whether you're a budding content creator or simply passionate about capturing life's moments in stunning detail, we've got you covered. Number 5. Nikon Z50. Mirrorless cameras like the Nikon Z50 combine sophisticated features with easy-to-use controls to make photography accessible to both novices and aficionados. When it comes to learning how to use an interchangeable lens camera, the Z50's small size, simple controls, and great image quality make the learning curve enjoyable and fulfilling. Thanks to the Z50's portable design, you'll never miss an opportunity. Perfect for beginners searching for a strong, portable camera. The Z50's 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor produces sharp, colorful images. Even in low light, the larger sensor size contributes to better image quality. You can play around with your imagination by simply changing lenses. Nikon's growing Z-mount lens lineup is compatible with the Z50, offering versatility for a range of shooting scenarios. Take a deep dive into videography with 4K UHD capture. Capture your recollections in exquisite detail and try your hand at narrating stories like a movie. The 3.2-inch flip-down LCD touchscreen makes it simple to arrange your photos. Touch-to-focus functionality and menu navigation made easier by the touchscreen interface. Fast and accurate autofocusing is made possible by the Z50's 11-point autofocus system. The camera guarantees crisp, sharp images whether you're shooting still life or action-packed scenes. The wide ISO range of the Z50 increases your photographic choices. Capture breathtaking low-light scenes without compromising the quality of your photos. With the integrated Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, sharing your creations and controlling your camera from a distance is simple. Quickly transfer photos to your smartphone so you may share them on social media with ease. Number 4. Canon EOS R50. A great entry-level camera for prospective photographers is the Canon EOS R50. Combining user-friendly features with Canon's acclaimed imaging technology, the EOS R50 is an ideal entry point into the world of digital photography. With its simple and easy-to-use UI, the EOS R50 allows even inexperienced users to easily adjust settings and take beautiful pictures without being overwhelmed by complexity. Make use of the creative and image quality potential of an APS-C sensor. The EOS R50 guarantees that your shots are crisp, colorful, and detailed, making it a great starting point for your photographic journey. Take advantage of Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF technology for quick and precise autofocus. The EOS R50 keeps excellent focus on your subjects even in challenging shooting conditions, whether you're shooting stills or video. You can easily compose your photographs with the vari-angle touchscreen. Adjust the screen's tilt to get creative angles or to facilitate taking selfies. With the ability to record in 4K, you may discover the world of video. You can make excellent films with the EOS R50, opening you new avenues for artistic expression. Utilize the built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to connect your tablet or smartphone to the camera. You can instantly share your photos, control the camera from a distance, or save a backup copy of your images for future reference. The EOS R50's small size and lightweight make it portable, no matter where your photographic adventures take you. It's a great tool for those who are just starting out in photography. Use creative effects and shooting settings in camera to let your imagination run wild. The EOS R50 promotes investigation and trial and error, enabling you to develop your unique photographic style. Part of Canon's EOS system, the EOS R50 works with a variety of lenses. As you progress, this flexibility lets you hone your photographic skills. With its remarkable low-light capabilities, the EOS R50 lets you shoot in difficult lighting situations with confidence. Number 3. Nikon D3500. In 2024, the Nikon D3500 continues to be the recommended camera for beginners. It is the perfect partner for budding photographers exploring the world of DSLRs. The D3500 combines user-friendly features with Nikon's renowned photography technology to empower enthusiasts to create stunning images and confidently start their photographic journey. At the core of the D3500 is a 24.2 megapixel DX format CMOS sensor that produces crisp, high-resolution images with vibrant colors and exceptional detail. Even as you get better, this sensor will make your photos stand out. When used in conjunction with the XB4 image processor, the D3500 offers quick and responsive operation. With this combo, you can process images smoothly and quickly, so you never miss a moment. The D3500 not only produces breathtaking photos, but also full HD 1080p video. Capture special moments in motion with depth and clarity, opening up new artistic possibilities. For beginners, the D3500's guide mode is quite user-friendly. With its clear instructions and easy-to-understand camera settings, it allows users to progress to more complex techniques at their own pace. Take more pictures without worrying about the battery dying. With the D3500, you can concentrate on your creative without worrying about constant battery drain because to its outstanding battery life. The D3500's lightweight and compact chassis makes it convenient to carry on your photographic travels. It was designed to be portable. It is a portable camera that is perfect for catching ephemeral moments. For novices, navigating through settings and experimenting with various modes is made easy with the camera's intuitive user interface and strategically positioned controls. The Nikon D3500 promotes learning and exploration. With a variety of interchangeable lenses, the D3500, a member of the Nikon DSLR ecosystem, lets you expand your creative possibilities. Select the lens, ranging from wide-angle to telephoto, that best fits your vision. Connect your tablet or smartphone to your D3500 using SnapBridge technology. You may also use your mobile device as a remote control for your camera and share your photos instantaneously. You can create and review your photos with ease on the 3.0-inch LCD panel. Whether you're shooting a video or taking pictures, you can be sure that you have a clear, sharp perspective of your subject thanks to the bright and clear display. The D3500 performs nicely in low light thanks to its wide ISO range. Take beautiful pictures in difficult lighting situations without compromising image quality, allowing you to try out various shooting settings. The camera's scene recognition system adjusts the settings to best suit the scene you are shooting, so even inexperienced users may get images that seem professional without having to make intricate manual adjustments. Use filters, alter the color, or add distortion control to your photos for a more unique look. The integrated flash of the D3500 offers even more versatility in a range of lighting conditions. Whether photographing indoors or up against backlit objects, the flash helps produce well-lit and balanced photos. The D3500 is designed to withstand normal use as abrasions. Because of its robust construction, the camera will be a trustworthy travel companion. It supports standard SD memory cards, so you may store an abundance of high-definition photos and movies to go with your growing collection. Picture controls provide you the ability to exercise artistic control over your shots by making it simple to switch cards during extended shooting sessions. Number 2. Sony ZV1. For individuals who are just getting started in photography and filmmaking, the Sony ZV1 seems to be the perfect companion. With the help of this mirrorless camera, ambitious designers may produce amazing graphics without the complexity sometimes associated with professional-grade gear. It is compact, intuitive, and packed with features. With the ZV1's user-friendly interface, novices can concentrate on realizing their creative potential and rapidly grasp key parameters. Because of the ZV1's lightweight and small design, beginners may easily carry it anywhere and experiment with different shooting conditions. The ZV1, although being an entry-level camera, has a large APS-C sensor that produces excellent image quality and enables novices to take sharp, detailed photos. Number 1. Fujifilm X-AS10. Discover the joys of photography with the Fujifilm X-AS10, a camera made for beginners to ease into the field. For those starting out in photography, the X-AS10 is the perfect partner because of its many features that prioritize usability without compromising image quality. Setting up the X-AS10 is simple even for inexperienced users thanks to its ergonomic design and user-friendly controls. Because of its user-friendly interface and gentle learning curve, photographers of all experience levels can utilize it. Take crisp, blur-free pictures even in challenging lighting conditions. The X-AS10 is ideal for people on the go because of its compact and lightweight design, which makes it easy to carry and ensures that you never miss an opportunity to capture a moment. whether you're exploring the city or going on outdoor adventures. Guys, that concludes our top 5 best cameras for beginners of 2024 list. All product links are in the description, which is updated with the lowest prices. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.